Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this super delicious crispy chicken. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I love you guys so much for stopping by to watch another video. Please to go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now let us cook. So guys, here we have our chicken pieces and I'm using leg and thigh quarter. I already went ahead and washed and cleaned all that up. Now I'm gonna be adding corn oil to that chicken and I'm gonna ensure that each chicken piece is coated in that oil, and this is just to ensure that the season is stick to the chicken. Now for the season, I'm using meat season, dried parsley flakes, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. Now I'm going to be pouring that all over our chicken and we're going to combine that together. Ensure that each chicken piece is well coated with that season, guys. Under the skin, every crevice and corner, guys, should have seasons. So each time you take a bite, you should be tasting all those seasons that you add to your chicken. Guys, I will be marinating my chicken for about 3 hours in advance, or you can go ahead and marinate your chicken overnight if you have the time. Now guys, to dredge my chicken, I'm using the flour and the same exact season that I use on my chicken, except for that garlic powder because it does tend to burn real easily. So I'm just combining all those seasons together. Now first you want to dredge that in your egg mixture. You can use egg and milk combined together, or the egg, whatever you have on hand, use it. So first your egg and then your flour. Now I'm going to be placing that on a wooden cutting board, just before frying, so I can have everything in place. Then you're going to repeat the same process with your additional chicken. Now in a skillet on medium heat, I'm placing my chicken gently, guys, just so your oil doesn't spill. So guys, we're gonna fry these for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. If you ever realize that your chicken is cooked on the outside but definitely raw, guys, on the inside, take that from the skillet and place it in the oven to cook. Okay, if you do have a thermometer on hand, stick that in the center of your chicken and ensure that it reaches a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now guys, I'm gonna be flipping my chicken and just look how beautiful that is. Now guys, I love a crispy chicken. I don't like soggy fried chicken. It's just a no for me. I enjoy a crispy fried chicken. And guys, if you're wondering why there's so much bubbles or foam in the oil, it happens when food is dropped into hot oil. The moisture in the food rises to the surface to evaporate. That's what causes the foaminess or bubble, which is completely normal. Now guys, we're gonna repeat the same process with our additional chicken. Guys, I also decided to do some steamed vegetables. And the side for our chicken is gonna be vegetable rice, basmati to be exact. Adding some butter to give it flavor and spring onions. And also some ripe plantains. We're gonna fry these to perfection, honey. And here you have the final product, guys. I went ahead and I served that with vegetable rice, steamed vegetable, avocado, and ripe plantains. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment, subscribe, share, guys. Also, please go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.